Hello, welcome to the HeiDoc YouTube channel. In the last video I showed you how to attach a virtual hard disk to the Windows bootloader, and today you're going to get two videos from me. In this video I will show you how to create a virtual hard disk from a disk image from a Windows ISO file, and in the second video I will show you how to create a virtual hard disk from your physical hard disk. So, creating a virtual hard disk from an ISO file. I've been researching this, and almost every day I found an easy and a better solution to do this. And the easiest way to do it actually is very easy, very straightforward, is to use this Microsoft tool here. It's on GitHub. It's Convert Windows Image. It's a script for the PowerShell. So all we need to do is start PowerShell as an admin, and it will automatically download this script from GitHub for you. So all you need to do is type in install module name convert Windows image. I've already done this on this machine, so I'm not going to do it again. It might give you some warnings, some issues about non-secure application. Ignore all this. It's coming straight from Microsoft, and it will download from GitHub. So you can always confirm any issues with this script. So it will install this script as a function, and you call this function the following. So all you need to do beforehand is put in all your stuff into one folder. I've put everything on drive D here. There is a Windows 7, I think it's professional, and also a Windows 10 October update 2018. So I'm going to demonstrate everything with this Windows 7 Pro. So I'll copy the file name, so I can insert it into PowerShell when I need it. So you type in convert Windows image, and it takes a couple of command options. You need to define, first you have to go to drive D, of course. So let's do it again. Convert Windows image. Source path. Now we'll paste the name of the ISO file in here. Pass through, so this will give you some feedback when everything's done. Disk layout. So depending on your computer, you put in UEFI or BIOS, or the third option is if you want to use the virtual hard disk in Hyper-V, you type in Windows to go. So these three options are there. One important one is the edition. If you leave that out, it will just take a random edition from the disk. One ISO file usually contains many editions of the same product, like for Windows 7 it's Home Basic, Home Premium, Professional and Ultimate. If you leave that out, it will just pick any of these, so we want Ultimate, for example. And let's go. So this will take a few seconds now, and it will do all the tasks for you. So it will open the ISO file, and it will copy everything to the virtual hard disk and put all the files into the into drive D. So let me open the GitHub project once again. There are more command parameters here, and all the parameters are explained in the main script file, Windows image.ps1. And yeah, as you can see here, all the parameters. Source path, we've used that. You can use cache source here. If you have a WIM file, for example, you can use that. Working directory, temp directory, it's already starting to do stuff here. Well, it's all advanced parameters. If you just want to create a virtual hard disk, you can ignore most of these. If you're an advanced user, you can go through these and see whether you might want to use them. So it's running here. Well, it's almost done. I don't want to bore you anymore with my computer showing you a couple of things. Once it's done, it will have a virtual hard disk on drive D. Here it's already created, and you can use it just as any virtual hard disk once it's done. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video today, and see you soon. Bye bye.